Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to fix a problem of YouTube comments not showing up. Alright, so if you open up your YouTube and your comments are not showing up, you will have to do this. Come to the profile section here and then come to the setting gear icon up there and then tap on general and then turn off this restricted mode. Once you turn off this restricted mode, then you go back and then open up any video of your choice and then try to play it and see if the comments are showing. So you open up this video over here. Alright, so once the video is done loading, we shall see whether the comments are showing. Alright, so it's first playing an ad, so you have to wait for the ad to get done. And as you can see, the comments are over here. They are now showing at this point. So that means it was a success. Alright guys, so thanks for watching. That's all I had for you today. We shall meet in the next video.